Hey gang, Jesse here at EC Auto Repair. I wanted to visit with you a little bit about our car giveaway. We're wanting to give a car back to a deserving person in the community this year. So sometime in December, we'll announce the dates later. We're going to be giving away this car to a deserving person. It's a 2008 model Subaru Outback. We're looking for someone that definitely is not looking for a handout, but basically a hand up. Someone that basically, if they just had just a little bit of help, if they had a car where they could get back and forth to work, back and forth to church, could get their kids to school and to school activities, makes such a difference. Someone that's continually pouring into others, and yet they're kind of fell into some hard times or difficult times. We'd like to reward them for their acts of service. And so the way the program works is we're going to be receiving nominations through our website over the course of the next few weeks. And so if you know a person that is a deserving person that they don't have a vehicle and a car would really make a difference in their life, that's the kind of person we're looking for. You can send us a little nomination letter telling us why they deserve to receive the car, and the car will be awarded to someone to the committee that will select the recipient of the car. Nobody in the shop is on that committee. So we definitely want to give back to the community. The community's been so great to support us, to be able to come here and get their oil changes done, buy tires, buy brakes, buy mechanical services, just whatever it is. We want to show that we love you, that we care, and we really appreciate what you do for us, and we want to give back.